We're talking about Bikini Bob's right over there. We're actually
popular spot.
Yeah, got some tunes going. Checking out the Gulf and the pool. Drum roll, please. And if you know what, if you read the title, it's no surprise. We're at the summit today. Sean and Alice.
Coldwell Banker Realty.
BayRealExperts.com. Like and subscribe. And now we're going to take you on a tour of this unit. Alice, tell us about it, and let's
summit.
Let's pop inside.
Unit 227. Listing provided by Melisa Caporella with Jim Free Realty. Thank you, Melissa, for allowing us to do a video of your unit.
I do want to point out, if you stay till the end of the video, we'll go by the stairwell. If you want a low floor for the convenience of maybe not having to use an elevator, if you don't mind one flight of stairs, we'll show you how close it is to this unit.
Right. And I like this one because you have the view to the Gulf, of course, and the pool is on the side, so you don't get much of that noise in front of you and the people hanging out.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like a calmer view, right?
Yeah, you know, you'd have to go out onto the balcony to see the pool, so you don't hear any of the noise from the pool right now. And we're in this is July 17th, so peak season right now. Let's go to the front door and give you a walkthrough from the front back.
So this is a 1 bedroom, 2 bathrooms unit. There's 740 square feet here.
See, unit 227. We got a view from the balcony to the parking lot, the Vomitron and that slingshot across the way. Lots of fun stuff to do.
Yes, walking distance.
Owner's closet immediately inside the front door.
I like how they have the wainscoting all along the hallway. All vinyl plank here, so no carpet. As a king size bed, so you can tell that is a spacious room. You have your closet here. Okay, you have the sink on this side, so you can brush your teeth. And somebody's using that bathroom right there.
No one's using the bathroom. Somebody used the bathroom. People that walked away from the computer for a second are like, "What?" No, we're not we're not walking in on anyone.
And there's two.
Yeah, side by side. You guys can have your morning coffee together.
And tissue bunk beds, of course. Interesting that they have the laundry over here in the kitchen. Cabinetry is nice, new. I mean, newer is not original. Granite countertops.
You know, it's really a great use of the space to get all of the major appliances in where the plumbing has access, and you know, you're on vacation. You don't need a ton of space.
And the view.
I did promise that we would show how close we were to the stairs.
And the summit had recently been completely painted on the outside, so it's looking pretty good. Seems like they're doing a lot of improvements.
I'm gonna go show the stairs and then wrap this up.
All right.
Thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't taken the time to click the thumbs up button, now's a great opportunity. Subscribe, that really helps the channel as well. And you know, it gets Alice and I excited. We go, oh yes, one more subscriber. People are watching. We have fun doing it. And as a reminder, while we love making these videos for you guys, we actually pay the bills by selling real estate. So if you have a listing that you would like us to help you market, let us know. We'd love to help you with that. This tower right here is the stairwell and elevator shaft. If you'd like to purchase this property or select Alice as your buyer's agent, I'm gonna leave her contact information down below. So here's the stairwell. Trash chute right there. And they even got some grilling areas if you wanted to do your own grilling. All right, you guys, I left Alice to shut off all the lights, I guess. So I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.